lots of places in the world. It's very beautiful, as you see in the newspaper.
Oh, yes. Different people have different places, different favorite places. But in my opinion, I think there are many good scenic spots in Hong Kong worth visit. I'll tell you my favorite places.
To introduce his favorite place first.
Okay.
Favorite places. You always tell me that you look forward to visit Egypt. Is it Egypt there?
Wrong. It's the place where we are sitting. Our fantastic classroom.
Are you serious?
I do my homework in this classroom. Our classroom is a favorite place now, right?
Since there are sometimes let's go to my favorite place now.
Next is my turn to introduce my favorite place. My favorite place is the Science Museum. The reasons are because there are lots of interesting showpieces there, such as Hong Kong's first passenger plane and the energy machine. There are also special exhibitions held occasionally in the museum. In conclusion, I can learn a lot of things in the museum, and I recommend all of you to visit there. Finally, it's your turn to introduce your favorite place, Vincent. Yes, well, my favorite place is the Golden Beach. I often go there since it is quite near to my home and because I like there very much. The Golden Beach has soft sand and beautiful scenery. The air is fresh and it refreshes my mind every time I go there. It indeed provides a good place to relax. Next time if you pass by, remember to come here and have a look.
All of the places we introduced are really attractive. If I have time, I must go there to have a look.